A tragic incident was reported from Bengaluru's Banashankari area where a 34-year-old man died of a heart attack in the early hours of December 13 after being turned away by two hospitals and receiving no ambulance support or help from passers-by. The deceased, Venkataramanan, a resident of Balajinagar in Ittamadu, Banashankari 3rd stage, developed severe chest pain at his home around 3:30 am. His condition deteriorated rapidly and he became critically ill and vomited. In a desperate attempt to save his life, his wife took him on a two-wheeler to Udbhav Hospital near Katriguppe Janta Bazar. However, the hospital reportedly had no doctors available at that hour. The couple then proceeded to another nearby private facility, Real Life Hospital. An electrocardiogram conducted there confirmed that Venkataramanan had suffered a mild heart attack. Despite this, the hospital neither provided emergency treatment nor administered even basic medications such as an Isordil 5 tablet. Instead, they advised the family to shift him to Sri Jayadeva Institute of Cardiovascular Sciences and Research and asked them to leave immediately without arranging an ambulance. With no ambulance provided, the couple continued towards Jayadeva Hospital on the two-wheeler while en route near Kadrihalli Bridge. Venkataramanan again experienced intense chest pain, lost control of the vehicle and met with a minor crash. After traveling about 100 meters, he became extremely unwell and collapsed on the road. His wife repeatedly sought help from passers-by, but no one stopped to assist. Venkataramanan soon suffered a cardiac arrest and died on the roadside before any medical help could arrive. Venkataramanan worked as a mechanic at a local garage. He was married on January 27, 2020 and is survived by his wife, a 1.5-year-old daughter and a 5-year-old son. The tragedy has also devastated his family. His mother, who had already lost 5 of her 6 children at different stages of life, suffered a heart attack upon hearing the news. She was hospitalized in critical condition and later recovered after treatment.